In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can promote digital products, affiliate products from the biggest network called Clickbank, and you can start getting qualified buyer traffic. That's what we're talking about here. Buyer traffic within minutes, and start to see some kind of results that could be building a list, quality subscribers, or potential sales. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this, and I'm going to show you the network that you can use and how to find those buyer vendors, buyer traffic providers that you can use to start buying some good quality traffic, because it's all about traffic. If you learn how to get traffic, if you master yourself in traffic generation, okay, and if you become an expert when it comes to traffic, 90% of the problem is going to get solved. Okay, so you need to master yourself in traffic, and you need to learn how to generate traffic, how to get people to visit your affiliate link. Now, it's not just about traffic, it's about targeted traffic. So if you're promoting an offer that's related to make money online, you need to get traffic who are interested in making money online. Now, if you get traffic from people who's interested in gardening or woodwork and not interested in make money online, that is called untargeted traffic. You're not going to make any money. It doesn't matter how good the traffic source is, doesn't matter how quality the traffic is, because it's untargeted traffic, you're not going to make money. So if you're going to promote any offer related to make money online, you need to get people who are interested in learning how to make money online. If you're going to promote home and gardens, you need to get those type of people to see your link who is interested in home and gardens. If you're going to promote weight loss offers, you need to get those type of people to see your offer who wants to learn how to lose weight. That's targeted traffic. So that's number one. Number two, it needs to be quality traffic. Now, how does quality work? It works two ways. One is country, one is network. Okay, so you need to get quality traffic. And how do you get quality traffic? Using a quality network. Now, that network could be a network in itself, or it could be a network with different traffic providers that has quality traffic. Okay, so quality network could be Facebook, it could be Google, it could be Bing, it could be Microsoft Ads, etc. These are quality networks where you can get quality traffic. The second scenario of quality traffic is based on the country. So country-wise quality traffic will be getting traffic from tier 1 countries, English-speaking countries. Okay, so that is UK, US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and sometimes even Singapore is included. So if you can become a master when it comes to traffic by getting quality traffic, which is tier 1 plus with the network, and you get targeted traffic, 90% of all your affiliate marketing problem is going to get solved. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose a quick offer with the biggest network called Clickbank. And then from there on, I'm going to give you a network that has hundreds, even thousands of traffic providers. Not all of them are equal. Okay, some are low quality traffic providers, some are high quality traffic providers, some have very good quality traffic. I'm just going to show you how to find the quality traffic providers that has buyers inside, that is ready with their credit card to buy a product from you when you promote a product to them. And they're going to be very responsive when you build a list with these traffic providers. So let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm on Clickbank and I'm on the Clickbank marketplace. Normally, you choose any products from these categories. Most people will go for health and fitness or e-business, e-marketing, because that's where most of the money is made. I'm going to go for e-business and e-marketing in this case. Now, you could sort out the results by going here. If you want to promote a high ticket offer, you just want to select average conversions, high to low. I'm just going to leave it as it is, and I'm just going to select one of the products from here. So I'm just going to scroll through and see what I can find. So I could see the most of these products are just paying me $13. I'm not interested in promoting something that's only going to pay me $13. So I just found another product here, but I guess this is a high ticket offer. But let me just check the sales page here and let's see what this has to offer. Okay, how to get paid to build a list fast, even if you're starting from scratch. Okay, so this is a webinar, I guess, and then through the webinar he's going to sell you out. Okay, let me just see the gravity. Yeah, okay, the gravity is below 20. All right, so I would stay away from this. Plus it requires approval to promote this product, so I'm not going to promote that. Let's just look at this one again. Online success code, it's the same person. Okay, and it's a high ticket offer, paying $241 actually. Okay, the copy paste profit system, let me just check the sales page for this one. Okay, and I could see how to start an online referral business and land consistent daily commission without creating a product, building a website. All right, so I could see that this product is, okay, it's a 1-year-old product. It's owned by some kind of lady here. All right, I could see that the commission, the gravity is 2.3, very, very low. Okay, so there is a risk in promoting this product, but still, who knows, you might make a lot of money. $53.99 commission. Let's say I want to promote this product. Okay, so I will have to go to the affiliate link and get my affiliate link. So let's just do that. Okay, and this is going to be my affiliate link. Now it's time for me to drive traffic to this link. Okay, now you have two options. You could drive direct traffic to this link, or you could build a small mini squeeze page, a landing page, which will look similar to something like this. Okay, all right, so something like this, a mini squeeze page, something like this, where you're going to tell them that what they need to do to actually get access to the program that I'm about to offer on the other page. All right, so I highly recommend you do this, because this is where the money is, my friend. If you don't do this and you just start driving traffic directly to this link, you might make 1 or 2 sales here and there, but you're not building a business. Okay, so you want to build that list, so you have a list of quality subscribers at your disposal that you can promote different offers over and over again. Okay, and this is very, very important. So that's it. We've got our product. Now it's time to drive traffic. So what network are we talking about? We're talking about a network that has so many quality buyers. I know some of the top internet gurus using this, and I know some people making 4 and 5 figures with this. That being said, that does not mean that you're going to make any money or you're going to get any results, because results will vary according to effort and determination and how you follow the steps, how you take action, etc., etc. But it's a traffic source that if you follow the steps and if you do it with a positive attitude, with a never giving up attitude, you should see some great results by building a quality list of subscribers, etc. The traffic source is called Udemy. Okay, now you can join Udemy from this website address that's popping up on your screen. Okay, this is my referral link. When you join through my referral link, you're going to get a personal message from me where you will be able to contact me. That's number 1. Number 2, when you create a lead magnet page or a landing page, you could send me that page to review it and give you the best suggestion on what you can do to optimize it to get the best results. And also, if you're going to do direct linking, which I don't recommend, but for any reason, if you are, you could also send me a message with the product that you are about to promote, and I could give you some kind of advice and suggestion on whether this product is going to be a good fit to promote or not, and also with a traffic provider. So if you're choosing a traffic provider and you're not sure whether you should buy traffic from this person or not, you could send me the person's details. I will look into it for you and I will give you the best advice. Remember, I've been in this business for a decade. My training has helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have become multi-millionaires, 7-figure mentors and coach. I can definitely help you. So by joining through my referral link, which is popping up on the screen, you will able to send me a personal message. You will able to ask me any questions. You will able to tell me to review your landing pages and also give you the best advice on when you choose a traffic provider. Okay, so once you have joined this, it's free to join. You just want to create your free account and then you want to come here and click on buy solo ad. Now my job is to show you what to look for when it comes to buying traffic, how I would do it. Okay, so first of all, just say I want to buy traffic from this person here. I could see he's got a 94% buyer rate. Okay, 59 cents per click. Let's just click on him. This person's from Australia. Okay, now if you don't understand anything, it's very easy. Just hover your mouse and it's going to explain everything. What does this mean? And this as well, explaining everything. Okay, I would recommend this to be above 20 and this to be above 20 as well. Okay, and then you want to scroll down and you could see here you could buy up to about 3,000 clicks. I highly recommend you always start off with just 300 clicks if you're just getting started for the first time, buying the first time from this person. Okay, you want to click on Prime Filter. It will filter out all the bot clicks. You want to do only top tier English speaking countries, and in here this is where you're going to paste in your affiliate link or your landing page. Okay, and then once you're happy with everything, what you want to do is you want to click on continue and make your purchase. As soon as you purchase your traffic will start according to the date that they have provided, or as soon as possible, like it says here. Okay, so this is how you buy traffic. Now what happens if you didn't make any money for the first 300 visitors? That's okay, because remember, the focus right now is making money, but more than making money, we're trying to build a quality list of subscribers so we can promote different products to them. So you're not wasting any money. Remember that. Okay, so once you bought 300 clicks and according to what you have checked, you saw that this person's traffic is very good quality. I have a responsive list that whenever I send an email, my open rate is very, very high. My click-through rate is very high. Then you want to come back to the same person and buy traffic again, and this time you're going to buy 500 clicks, and if the same thing happens, then you're going to buy 750 clicks, and if the same thing happens, then you're going to buy 1,000 clicks, and that's how you're going to do it. Okay, and for any reason, if you're not happy with this person's traffic, what do? Most people give up. Big mistake. Never ever give up. If you never give up, you will never fail. You don't want to give up. What you want to do, you are going to go back and you want to buy traffic from another person. It's all about testing. Testing until you find a winner. Remember, one winner is more than enough to change everything for you. You don't want to give up. Okay, so let me show you the criteria that I would look for when it comes to buying traffic. So I've seen that this number is very, very high. This is a very big positive thing. Okay, this just means that a lot of people are reporting that they're getting sales from this person's traffic. That's what this means. But this is not enough for me. Okay, I want to scroll down so I could see there's so many results down here. Okay, very impressive. All right, very, very good. But that's not enough. I want to see some more stuff. So this is what I'm looking for. I want to see got sales in the last minimum 5 got sales from 5 different people in the last 30 days. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for here. All right, now I can see that I got one got sale, all right, and the second got sale was in 19 August. All right, so this is not fitting in according to my criteria, so I am not going to buy traffic from this person. I want to see this green button got sales minimum 5 in the last 30 days from 5 different people, just to put myself in the safe zone. Now, just because someone doesn't have got sale does not mean that he doesn't have good traffic, he doesn't have quality traffic, he doesn't have buyer traffic. No. It's not like that. I just want to be on the safe side, okay? Making sure I am buying traffic from the best of the best, quality traffic, responsive traffic, buyer traffic. So that's my criteria. Got sales 5 from 5 different people in the last 30 days. Now I can't see that here, so I'm just going to go back and I'm going to keep on doing my search. Now this can take up to like 30 minutes. It could take up to 1 hour, 2 hours. But remember, this search is worth your time. Okay, if you do this correctly, your search, and you get the right person, this one person is more than enough to change everything for you. No joke. Because this one person who you find as a winner that's going to provide you with quality, targeted buyer traffic, you're not just going to buy traffic one time. You're going to keep on buying traffic over and over again to build that list of subscribers, get to about 10,000, 20, 50,000 subscribers, and that's when everything starts to change. You start to see all that money rolling into your accounts, okay? So you want to keep on doing this. So that's the criteria, all right, to find traffic. So what did I do in this video? I show you how to choose a right offer on Clickbank, and then I gave you a traffic source, the criteria to find quality buyers on this traffic network. If you haven't joined this network, here's the website address popping up on the screen. Go to this website address, create your free account right now, and then send me a personal message, okay, on what you have done, how far have you progressed, have you found someone, what is your landing page, have you created a landing page, do you need any kind of help in creating a landing page, do you want me to help you out how to create a landing page, do you want me to support you, do you want me to choose a product, do you want me to give you some of the best people on this that I have in my hidden bag that I have, so you can buy traffic directly from them instead of testing. Just send me a message, okay? But remember, first you need to join, okay? So go to this website address, create your free account, and then send me a personal message. I will see you in the next video.